Hello. Okay. So, Ashwini, is it audible? Kumar, Kiran.
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Vishwa, we can hear you, Vishwa.
Great. So, are you guys joined? Like today is the first class for you guys.
Yeah, yeah, very, very first class, introduction class.
Okay. Okay. See, the basically it is a completely Snowflake, but we start with MySQL because Snowflake is a data warehouse and again combination of data or base also. Because to understand this completely Snowflake, how many of them are like good at, or else intermediate level, or else advanced level, or else it is a first time concept understanding the better database. How many of them like experience with the database?
Means here and here actually, I am actually the basically the database background only, but I work for different database and then I worked on ETL background. Just I wanted to know actually how the cloud thing, all those things. That's the thing. Means I have around 8+ years of experience IT.
Okay, great.
Okay. I work for actually all the database related work. Means I work on SQL Server, Oracle, even Informatica I used to work. Uh, as I wanted to know about the Snowflake, how it will be, means all the cloud related concepts. Okay.
Yeah. So the Snowflake we can practice 1 month free trial edition one, and again meanwhile we can also integrate with Advenced Cloud and can Azure Cloud also, and again the integration part and again architecture part explanations and again deeper level, and also moving into the next part. So how exactly in the real time scenario will be using with the ELT concepts or ATL concepts, and again all these things will be having. Yeah, basically my classes starts with first 10 days with a SQL database, and in the remaining 25 days with a completely Snowflake. So this is what end-to-end syllabus, what I'm going to cover. And
Okay.
meanwhile, and yeah, so the database the 5 days is SQL database, and again the remaining 5 days is no SQL. So SQL format we are using with MySQL or PostgreSQL, anything is
Mm.
fine. And again no SQL is a MongoDB.
Okay.
Okay, so generally have you worked in the NoSQL?
That Mango DB means I'm aware of it, but I never worked actually.
Yeah,
Okay, that SQL
basically
thing it's okay, but I'm good at SQL.
great. So basically here, so basically we are going to cover with basic to advanced level concepts, inner
Mm-hmm.
joins, outer joins, left joins, right joins, classes, all these things.
Mm-hmm.
And again, meanwhile, so all the DDL commands, DCL commands, and again DML commands, data manipulation commands, data query language commands, and again data control language commands,
Mm-hmm.
transaction control commands also. Meanwhile, what we are focusing here, so generally database we call it as in SQL, but the database is also called as a NoSQL. But here we call it as a tables, but there they call it as a collections. Here we call it as a completely exactly database, but there we call it as a schema, right? And
Mm-hmm.
in the primary key we call it as a primary key, but there we call it as a ID.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like this, in the NoSQL format, we have like documentation DB, key value pairs, time series DB, graph database, all these things will be having. This is what end-to-end the concepts we will be implementing on this.
Okay. Okay, Snowflake actually it has means we can work on Azure and then it will support for GCP, right? What you means it's what technology you're going to explain? Are you going to cover all AWS or GCP thing or what?
Yes, Snowflake. Okay, if I want to cover with AWS with GCP and AWS with Azure, AWS with AWS, right? Sorry,
Mm,
Snowflake with AWS. We should create a three email IDs, and again
mm,
from the three email IDs. So you tell me. It's from the three email IDs. See, whenever we create a Snowflake account with a free trial account, right? So you
mm,
should select which one we have to choose. We have
mm,
chosen by default AWS. Now,
mm,
with one email ID, you should choose with AWS, and again another email ID we should choose with Azure, and again one more email ID we should choose with GCP. Then it will be working with end to end three clouds also. We can practice on this.
mm-hmm. Means
Okay.
are you going to cover which one you are going to cover?
No,
Uh,
three clouds also we are going to power. But
mm,
meanwhile, GCP cloud account and again Azure cloud account, you guys need to open for that because if you have a credit cards, so we can
mm,
open that. Anyway, 1 month is free for there also. And again, the GCP cloud 3 months is free. They'll be providing 14,300 rupees according to Indian INR.
mm-hmm.
Same thing in the Azure cloud also. we can practice it. Yeah. All the three clouds.
Okay.
All the three clouds integrations mainly, very importantly. As a Snowflake
Azure
administrator.
Cloud is 1 month only, no subscription.
What? Sorry.
Azure Cloud, the subscription is only 1 month free, no?
Yes. Azure Cloud subscription, there will be, whenever we create an account, they'll be providing 16,200 rupees that we can use only 1 month. Even if you not use also 1 month, it will be expired. Same thing for GCP Cloud also, but there is a 3 months. They will give 16,000 rupees 3 months. If you practice also, not practice also, after 3 months, it will be vanishing. But in the AWS Cloud, it is a completely available. But the bill, if it comes like 20,000, we can give the request letter for the technical support for the billing support team. They'll be giving the way up for that. Okay, right? All right, like it's a completely Snowflake integration, so all these things.
Can you repeat once what you said, Vishwa?
Sorry. Yes.
Yeah,
like,
I missed. Yeah, I missed about the payment details. So can you just
yes.
repeat it once again?
The payment details are whenever we create a Azure account with a credit card, they'll be giving like 16,200 rupees. That is only available for only 1 month subscription. If we practice within 16,200 rupees for 1 month, it is okay. If it is not, it will not. Same thing for Azure, for GCP Cloud, they'll be giving the 3 months 14,200 rupees. And if we practice that also, it will be available within 3 months. If it is not also, it will be vanishing like that.
Okay.
AWS is for how many months, Vishwa?
For which one?
AWS Cloud.
It's 1 year. No, it's a permanent only, but 1 year. So whatever we practice, right, they will give you like 15 to 20,000 way off.
So I want to ask for this to know what to learn. Myself has learned this database some time ago. Means I didn't get that much of some 5 years or that time back. I worked on the SQL, not now. Yeah. You
Fine,
said
it's
you are
okay.
going to teach the database. You said, can you please repeat that in the very
The
first
first-
statement?
The first 10 days, 5 days SQL database installation, configurations, command line creations, and again database queries running. All these DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands, all these commands will be available. Same thing in first 10 days, 5 days is SQL, the remaining 5 days is NoSQL.
And I want to know on the SQL type, what database you are going to teach. Means MySQL, Oracle SQL, or which SQL you are going to teach.
I will not touch with IBM DB2 also, Oracle DB also. I will be touching with completely MySQL database and also PostgreSQL database also. And again, in the AWS, we can create a MySQL database there or PostgreSQL database or MariaDB database. In that we can run. Also, if you are interested with MS SQL database also we can do because it is freely available, open source one. Are we cool, right? The syllabus is can anyone share the screen? I'll show the syllabus also. But this syllabus is old one, but I'll remodify with the cloud integrations, all these things. So this contains this syllabus is contains only the completely Snowflake. Now web interface, like how to connect with the command line and again GUI mode and again micro partitions and again clustering. So and also tables creations there and again Snowflake continuous streaming data and again what is architecture there exactly and again multiple data providers with a different source. All these things.
Screen Vishwa, can you share the screen? I think you forgot to share this.
Okay. Ocean, can I make you to host? Can you please share it? Anyone? Is it fine? Kumar or Kiran? Hello, Kiran. Is it audible?
Yeah, but host is disabled something. It was coming. It's not allowing to say.
One second. I'll make you host. Can you please share it? I shared it. There is like no MySQL content also I need to add there. MySQL, NoSQL. So this is like in this syllabus you can take it out. But meanwhile,
Yeah, you can see, right?
yes, yes. This is like no only Snowflake syllabus is available. I should add like no SQL database, SQL syllabus also, no SQL syllabus also, and again the cloud integrations there. There is only one line it is there, but completely end to end. So whatever I say here in the word, the same thing it will be in the real-time classes. If you want like no other syllabus also, we'll be sharing like other one also with the cloud integration with the SQL and again all this. Yeah. But you guys need to open the Snowflake account. Anyway, already version is opened the Snowflake account. Yeah. But you guys need to open your Snowflake account and again AWS cloud account and again we should start. So I'll show you like now. Can you also please go through the Snowflake main dashboard? Snowflake of the main dashboard.
Where actually?
No, in the Google Chrome only. Snowflake. Go to the Google, Snowflake. Google Chrome. You have to create a Snowflake account. Snowflake.
This
Sign
one?
up. Yes. Sign up for Snowflake. Version, I forgot to say like one thing for you. You have to create like Snowflake account with the 3 accounts with the 3 different email IDs. Okay, because one account with like one cloud. Yeah, I can give the first name, second name. I'll show the challenges there. Wait
Okay.
now.
So 3 email IDs?
With 3 accounts we can create. Why we should
Okay.
miss whenever we create a Snowflake account with one email ID, it will be we choose AWS cloud, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but second email ID with Azure cloud like this.
Okay.
You can put DURGASOFT or else like my institute Coders Kingdom. Coders Kingdom. So. Anyone is from Bangalore here?
Yeah, I'm from Bangalore.
Oh, Kiran. Kannada ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
No, sir. Basically, I'm from Andhra, but
Okay. Which part of Bangalore? I mean, where do you stay?
I stay in a Whitefield, Kadogadi.
Okay. So, okay. See, here enterprises account, we should choose AWS here. Yeah. Yes. Same. This thing is this email ID with this AWS cloud. Clear, right? Again, create one more email account with Google Cloud. Again, one more email ID with Azure Cloud like this. Skip. No need to do anything here. Skip.
You're from Bangalore, huh?
Yes, I'm from Bangalore.
Where do you stay?
Rajeshnagar. So.
Okay. You don't know Telugu?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. I studied 1 to 4th standard Telugu medium. Then after that, we are from Ballari actually.
Okay.
All right. So, you should go to your email ID. I mean, it will be getting the verification email ID to your email ID.
It's my mail ID only, right? Here.
Yes, yeah.
Password I can give my own, right?
Yeah, your own customization. So many days of plans.
Why it is it's not activating, right?
No, you got a verification mail to your email ID.
Yeah, I did activate.
1 second then. Click to activate. It will take.
This one only.
Yeah, you can apply it like one more time. No worries.
It's not allowing to.
Okay, why username is already, have you took on this one? No, in the interest of username, you are giving the email ID.
Username I can give something.
Yeah,
Anything I
yeah,
can.
you are giving email ID, so that's why. Okay, username you can give Kiran. Yeah. Fine. So same thing you can open with like other email ID with Azure. Version for you also. I think Murudi, Sayed, those two guys already they joined, I think. Okay, so if you guys are okay, if you guys are satisfied with like in this one, you guys can go with like a registration. Then again, we can start this live classes.
Okay.
Sure. Okay, so sharply like I have like a 38 class, so I need to jump to that one. So clear, right? So this is what like end of the syllabus. Kiran,
Okay.
another question. Okay, yeah. First 5 days SQL, second 5 days, the second 5 days no SQL, and in the remaining Snowflake cloud integrations with the 3 clouds. Clear?
Okay. So the main classes already started. I mean,
No, from Monday onwards we can start from the main class. Yeah.
okay.
Sure.
So do we
Thank you.
need, we need to create the Azure cloud as well as the another one. What is that?
Azure cloud, AWS cloud.
And one more
GCP.
cloud you said, right? GCP. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Then again, I need to jump to other meeting. Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Praveen. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you,
Yeah.
Kumar. Bye.